That was just first reacts, but it's phenomenal. It settles like you can definitely tell that you're hydrated, but it doesn't feel too slippy. I'm obsessed already.
I don't want to pull. I'll
Especially-
do it, but I don't want to.
I just pictured myself at the beach, which is also autumn.
Very visceral. That's where you went.
I know. And
your
I'm just
head.
misting off, like I'm just misting hydration back onto my outdoorsy lifestyle.
Newbies! I've got an entire range for
Oh,
you.
my favourite. All right, well, if you've got a whole range, you go first or you want me to go first?
Go first.
All right.
I'm a bit tired of talking.
Yeah, you have been talking a lot. Your favourite brand?
My friends.
My friends. So Kelly interviewed a few, months ago now, the founders of Bronte, which is such a...
about over 6 months ago now.
Stop it. Where is the time going?
I know.
Bronte is a beautiful Australian body... Well, I was going to say body care brand. It started as body care brand. 2 ex-Mecca girls and women, as far as I remember. This is brand spanking new. I just opened it before recording in terms of taking it out of the mailer. I haven't even taken it out of the box. I'd wondered if you tried it yet.
No. I don't even know what it is. You're just holding a white box, but I saw the brand, love the brand.
I'm holding a white box by Bronte. It's called the 3-in-1 Hydrating Milk, and this is where it gets interesting.
Ooh.
A ceramide facial and body essence, toner, serum, and moisturiser in one.
Weren't you just saying that you wish that you had
Yes.
essence? Oh, no, that was something else. But
I just want everything to be everything.
okay.
This is also where I go, as if, nice try, what face and body and does everything. That's the, what's it called?
Cynic.
Yeah, that's the cynical journalist in me. I'm like, well, I'll see about that. So shall we see about that? It's brand new and it's $40. So let's see what we think. Ready? Does everyone want to watch me open a box? It's a spray, by the way. Did I say that?
Oh, no, you did not.
Well,
Okay,
I
that
saw-
makes it even better.
I saw on the website, well, unless someone was pouring it on their face. Yep, it's a spray.
Just spray it all over your body when you can't be bothered.
Do you know what I immediately pictured, which is hilarious because I go to the beach once every 18 months. But you know when you get out from the ocean and you're just all salty and dry and like tight? I just pictured myself at the beach, which is also autumn.
Very visceral. That's where you went.
I know. And I'm
your
just
head.
misting off, like I'm just misting hydration back onto my outdoorsy lifestyle. I've got the
very
strangest,
specific.
I know. And you know what? I won't go to the beach for 6 months. Okay, ready? I'm going to chuck it to you. Good
Okay.
net. Oh, good net. Okay. Oh,
Good.
it's a thinner texture.
Do you reckon I can spray it over my makeup?
Yes, it's a thinner texture, but similar slip to Naturium Barrier Bounce. Kelly, that's going to put them on the map. I know they're already on a map, but they're going to be bigger.
Ooh.
That is outrageous.
I like that.
I like that a lot. That is really clever. I mean, I would definitely use that on my body. I would love to use it on my chest
I
right
would
now.
use it everywhere.
Yes, your
and the
face.
fact that it's a spray.
And it's all over. So think of it as...
Not enough products come thinking about the user.
I agree. Like
I don't want to pull. I'll
Especially-
do it, but I don't want to.
Especially for your first step. Like if it's your... Whoa! Am I hiding in your netball team?
No, I'm not. I'm done recruiting. People I recruit don't bloody turn up.
Uh-oh. I agree with you, especially when it's your first step. If it's an essence or a toner, I'd love to just mist it on because I know I'm going to get my mitts dirty with my serum. But then I've got to open my serum bottle, but I'm already slippery from my essence. It's like, guys, my steps are taking
We're
too
not
long.
thinking of these
I'm
things.
too slippery. Oh, okay. That was just first reacts, but it's phenomenal. It settles like you can definitely tell that you're hydrated, but it doesn't feel too slippy. I'm obsessed already. We'll keep playing and report back, but I just think that's so clever. Ceramide rich milky essence for hydrated luminous skin, used daily on its own or as a prep step for more intensive hydration. They're geniuses. It's like they've worked in the industry and worked with every amazing brand in the history
Figure
of
out
the
what
world.
people really want.
How did they do
Funny
that?
story.
How
we will
good.
also link that episode in the show notes because it was a really great
I
episode.
cried.
We cried and we also got such good insider goss.
Yeah, it's a really good one, if I do say so. For you, what have you got?
All right, I've got a new range. It's not actually new, but it is new at Mecca in Australia, and it used to only be available like at certain niche stores.
Oh,
So it was like
that's more
harder
massy.
to find. So it's Sebastian Professional. They also have reformulated and repackaged.
Doesn't he have? Is he only professional? Maybe that's it. Maybe I'm remembering it from before.
Probably, yeah. But also the packaging's also like everything's been
Had a glow up.
It's all had a glow up, so it basically is new.
Yeah.
However, the original formulas and brand are decades old.
Yes.
And
That's what I'm thinking back to my good old days.
so I bought a couple of products. Listen, they're obviously all different prices.
Those two in the glass look fun.
Yes.
I love packaging. I'm such a sucker.
From $30 to like $80. So some of the products are really expensive. It's a Mecca brand, so it's obviously not super affordable.
And he's a professional. It says it in the name.
Yes.
If you
So
add
these are
professional in the name, you're allowed to charge more, guys. That's the law.
Also have a sniff
that?
because that's the shampoo. That's the Cloud 9. Oh, sorry.
That was the thrower's problem.
This is the Potion 9 Nourishing Shampoo.
Why? My arm is out. Just put it in my hand.
Have a sniff.
Okay.
I don't care about you looking at the package, although it is very nice.
I just like the wording because you know when it's a professional brand too, it's normally like boring science, but it's like
no, it's quite cute and fun.
Moisturising love for every thirsty strand.
This gold little bottle is one of my favourite.
Lush.
Super Luxe Styling Drops. You only need 3 of these.
This is yummy.
Or one if you've got.
It smells like cereal.
No, it doesn't.
Oh.
That sounds awful.
Well,
Why would
I only eat sugary cereal? So
yeah, that does not smell like sugary cereal. That's what I meant. I knew that
it smells like milk. Maybe because it doesn't a milky texture.
It doesn't smell like milk. It smells like it's not overpowering. It's just beautifully sensorial.
It smells like Fruit Loops.
But it doesn't. But you know what I love about all of the products? They're designed to do their job.
Good.
To like nourish and protect your hair I find that a lot of, especially the products that have the peptides and the proteins in them.
Too much.
They're good, but they then weigh your hair down.
I agree. Like you and I are fine lasses. We can easily OD before we've
It's not even OD. I could use a drop of something and it's going to do a really good job. I would say even something like K18. I love it.
No, that's too much.
But I have to, it's almost like I then need to do a ponytail the next day.
Yes.
Even if I used a teeny tiny amount just because.
It's too nourishing and repairing.
Yeah, that it just goes. Meh.
Yeah. I used an old Kerastase oil that I love that's always really helped my hair, but I did a pump and then I literally had to shake it off into the sink. It made my hair so nourished, but then I was like, it's like I haven't washed my hair.
All right, I want you to try this. This is the Dark Oil Smooth and Shine Styling Oil. Just use a little bit.
You're really making me work for it. Why is it called dark oil?
Just do a tiny little pump and then put it in your hair and it's not going to weigh it down.
I'm trying to do like the tiniest pump ever.
Oh, I thought you were doing multiple pumps and I was like, that's not what I said, Leigh.
No. Oh, I wasn't hiding it from you. I was trying to make sure. Oh, yeah. That's too much already. It's not.
So lightweight.
I picked up a tip just on an aside from Cass that does a beauty edit. She was saying in passing on one of the episodes that when she's got too much hair serum, she wipes it into her arms.
Yeah. Why wouldn't you?
I've never done it with hair stuff. I've always done it with lip balm and stuff. But now I'm like,
especially in oil.
Too much hair serum. Oh, here you go, arms.
Exactly.
Look at me arms. That's lovely.
So I've been playing with a bunch of the products at home and they're all incredible. And
what's your favourite?
Oh.
You have to choose one.
Okay. Listen, in terms of what it's actually doing to my hair, the Super Luxe Styling Drops. However, the Silkening Hair Mist would be, this is, because I'm way too heavy-handed with things.
We're
naughty. But spraying this over my hair and then just
what does that do? Is it a hairspray?
No, it's like a finishing product, but so it gets rid of all of my fluffiness and flyaways without weighing it down at all. So it's just
without looking like you've used an oil or a serum that's too much.
It's just like a magical mist that gets rid of the yuck but keeps the yum.
He should have called the magical mist. Keeps the yuck. Gets whatever that she said.
Yeah. Anyway, have a look.
Is it at Mecca now?
It's at Mecca now.
Oh, I'm going to go get it when I get the avocado eye.
Yes. So have a look.
I think we might be going to
and
Mecca
have a play, have
this.
A sniff.
Yeah, and put it in your hair and rub it all over your arms, except for maybe you'll get thrown out of Mecca, but, that's the best way
just
to try
say Kelly and Leigh. Actually, no, don't. If you're going to get sent out, don't tell them that we've sent you.